This is next question. Find the sum of two expression. X plus 6 over, how can I write x squared minus 4 as a factored form? X minus 2 times x plus 2 plus 2 over, if you try to factorize x squared minus 5x plus 6, you can get that x minus 3 times x minus 2. Now, to be able to add or subtract these two rational expressions, you have to make sure that the denominators are going to be equal to each other. When you look at the first fraction denominator, what is the missing expression when you compare with second denominator fraction? X minus 3 is missing in the first expression denominator. When you look at the second fraction denominator, which expression is missing when you compare with the first fraction denominator? Is x plus 2. So we need to expand this by x plus 2. Alright, now let me expand the first fraction by x minus 3. X plus 6 over x minus 2 times x plus 2 will be expanded by x minus 3 over x minus 3. After that, x plus 6 times x minus 3 over x minus 2 times x plus 2 times x minus 3. If we distribute this expression into the second parenthesis, you are going to get that x squared minus 3x plus 6x minus 18 over x minus 2 times x plus 2 times x minus 3. So this is the equivalent fraction of first fraction. Now let me expand the second fraction by x plus 2. X plus 2 over x plus 2. When you distribute, you will get 2x plus 4 over x minus 2 times x plus 2 times x minus 3. So this is the equivalent fraction of second fraction. Now, if you try to combine them, if you try to add them up, so let me write the expression. The first one is x squared minus, if you combine it, you will get x squared plus 3x minus 18 over x minus 2 times x plus 2 times x minus 3. I am writing these two expressions under same denominator. So now combine the like terms in numerator. Is there any x squared? No, just one x squared over here. If you combine the expression with x, 3x plus 2x will be positive 5x. Now, if you combine negative 18 with positive 4, you will get negative 14 over x minus 2 times x plus 2 times x minus 3. So, to be able to finalize the answer, you can factorize in numerator. What are the two factors? Plus 7 minus 2. I can write x plus 7 times x minus 2 over x minus 2 times x plus 2 times x minus 3. When you simplify the x minus 2, you can get final answer x plus 7 over x plus 2 times x minus 3. This is the answer of your rational expression. Next one. What is the difference between x plus 1 over x squared minus 6x minus 16 and x plus 1 over x squared plus 6x plus 8? We are going to use the same idea. X plus 1 over, let me factorize this. How am I going to factorize? X minus 8 times x plus 2. So yes, this is the factor of this expression, negative 8 plus 2. What about this? plus 4 plus 2. So minus x plus 1. Be careful. This minus is going to affect both of them, both expression. So x plus 4, x plus 2. Remember that to be able to subtract this, you have to make sure that their denominators are equal. So what is the missing when you compare the first fraction denominator with the second one? Which expression is missing? X plus 4. So we need to expand the first fraction by x plus 4. What about the second one? X minus 8. We need to expand the second fraction by x minus 8. So let's continue. X plus 1 over x minus 8 times x plus 2 is going to multiply by x plus 4 over x plus 4. When you distribute, you will get x plus 1 times x plus 4 over x plus 2 times x plus 4 times x minus 8. Now we can distribute. You will get x squared plus 4x plus x plus 4 over x plus 2 times x plus 4 times x minus 8. From here, if you combine the like terms, you will get x squared plus 5x plus 4 over x plus 2 times x plus 4 times x minus 8. So this is the equivalent fraction of first expression. What about the second one? X plus 1 over x plus 4 times x plus 2. I need to expand this by x minus 8 over x minus 8. Then you will get x plus 1 times x minus 8 over x plus 2 times x plus 4 times x minus 8. From here, if we distribute this into the second parenthesis, you will get x squared minus 8x plus x minus 8 over x plus 2 times x plus 4 x minus 8. If you combine the like terms, you will get x squared minus 7x minus 8 over x plus 2 times x plus 4 times x minus 8. This is the equivalent fraction of second expression. If you subtract them, you will get your answer. X squared plus 5x plus 4 minus. Be careful, ladies and gentlemen. You need to distribute the negative sign into the parentheses. So that's why I'm writing them in the parentheses over under the same denominator. X plus 2 times x plus 4 times x minus 8. If you combine the like terms, after distributing negative into the second parenthesis, x squared plus 5x plus 4 minus x squared plus 7x plus 8 over x plus 2 times x plus 4 times x minus 8. Now combine the like terms and we are going to find the answer. X squared minus x squared will be 0. 5x plus 7x will be 12x. 4 plus 8 plus 12 over x plus 2 times x plus 4 times x minus 8. This is the next question. Here we have three different expressions. 1 over 3x plus 1 over 6x minus 1 over x squared. Ladies and gentlemen, when you try to find the common denominator, you have to take all these three fractions denominators into consideration. So you can see that common denominator is what? What is the common denominator of these three expression? 3x, 6x, and x squared is going to be 6x squared. So how can I make the first fraction denominator 6x squared? I need to expand the first fraction by 2x. What about the next one? By x. What about the last one? You need to expand by 6. Let's do it. When you expand the first fraction by 2x, you will get 2x over 6x squared. Plus, when you expand second fraction by x, you will get x over 6x squared. The last one, if you expand the last fraction by 6, you will get 6 over 6x squared. Because their denominators are equal, you can add them up. 2x plus x minus 6 over 6x squared. Combine the like terms, 3x minus 6 over 6x squared. What is the greatest common factor in numerator? Is 3. You will get x minus 2 over 6x squared. If you simplify this number by 3, you will get x minus 2 over 2x squared is your answer.